Hey guys, MartyBoots here. Today I just want to talk about XRP because it has been a main driver in this market. After Doge, XRP had broken out similar to Doge and had a huge move to the upside, right? And quite surprising, um, surprising in the way that XRP is usually one of the last coins to run in the bull market. Is there a worry that XRP ran and now the rest of the market's going to crash? Well, we got to watch that very carefully because XRP is usually the last coin to run in the market cycle. So it's very interesting here. But anyway, let's look at to see if XRP is topped out. That is the reason for making the video. And see what we can find, see any clues, and look at the analysis and see what we get. Now, this volume is very, very nice. Most of the time when we do break out on significant volume, you can see here chunks of volume. The dips were buys in this. A big chunk of volume. Can I fit the two of them? Yeah, there you go. So you can see here. This was the Coinbase crash, and the Coinbase crash then bounced back up higher. I don't think we're going to drop that hard this time, but dips in it should be buys. It's suggesting you break out in this volume just like here. If we're in a real bull market, and you would have to think that we are in some sort of real bull market, with Bitcoin breaking out to new all-time highs, that's a key defining factor. And you can see how long this trend actually went for. From here, that's a 6x from down here and from any dips. This is already up 2x, but dips on this do look to be buys at the moment in theory. But let's look at the rest of the data to try and confirm it. Let's zoom out here to a yearly chart, and you can kind of see here, this is fantastic on a yearly chart so far. XRP might be just breaking out of a long-term structure here. This is we've 1 month left in this year, guys. And this XRP is breaking out and closing above all of this entire structure. This is the first time in history. This is potentially very bullish for XRP. Now, you have to say that. The worry is that XRP's got a large market cap, and it may not run as far as people want it to run. And that is very, very a true concern. That's a very true concern and worry for people. At least it should be. But it still is a very bullish perspective in the near term that XRP could keep going and keep running into next year. There is a bit of a trend line if you just watch that trend line, something so simple as a trend line. You definitely would watch that if you're coming up into that to see where that would go. Now, that is, it's only 100% gain from here, 80% gain, but there will be dips in this. Dips down would be buys into that area. That could be a first level of taking profits. Now, depending on how crazy next year goes, if we get an alt season, but it could blow through that level, of course. But this is very bullish for XRP and suggesting that this will go higher. This is the first time it broke back out above this structure. So very nice work on XRP. I mean, you like the coin or you don't. You have to be impressed with this. It might have caught a lot of people off guard. If you check my last videos and scroll down in my last videos, I talked about how XRP is going to break out. I talked about the giant structure that it was about to break out, and I called around this time as well. I made this video a few months ago, and I says it's getting very close to this run on XRP. Don't know where warning. Yeah, there was I put a couple of warning videos out about breakouts. Baby Doge did not go parabolic yet. I'm still holding that. Oh, this one. Here it is here, XRP here. XRP is breaking out, and that was right down here, and we got the move. So I do recommend watching these videos. I still hold Baby Doge, by the way. I do think it'll break out hard in the near term. In the near to medium term, it may be into a new year, but overall, it's looking very good as well. So I do recommend watching those videos. And if you want some help trading, if you want some buy and sell alerts, we have very powerful indicators and trading tools as well to help you. And we also have a group of fantastic members in there. So if you want to check us out, come on in. The link is below in the description. And I am in there myself. I've been trading for 17 years. If you want some help making videos, or if you want some help, I can make you a video on altcoins, on futures, on Forex, on stocks. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, come on and check us out. Now, I'm really impressed with this. I've got a couple of mates who actually put their life savings on XRP down on here. So I'm delighted for them. I'm absolutely delighted for them. They were so convinced that this is going to run hard. It's kind of scary holding through all this, and they're holding pretty firm. I'm going to be telling them to maybe be watching up here to take some profits, but so far this looks pretty good. Let's look at the monthly, right? So XRP, this is important. Every single time it's had a move up, right? It's had a move up, it's had a drop. It's had a move up, it's had a drop. It's had a move up, it's had a drop. It's had a move up, it's had a drop. It's had a move up, it's had a drop. It's had a move up, it's had a drop. Right? Every single time in the history of XRP, it's always had a drop after it's had a move up. So is this time different? Is this time different? Well, we have to be cautious in thinking that there can be some sort of drop. Right? That's a reality. We need to be on guard for that. But as I said here, this is closing extremely powerful unless this drops hard in the next month, which is also possible. But that's into the end of the year, and the yearly is also breaking out very strong. This is great. This is very nice as well. Very nice, very strong. These do concern me. These do concern me because you can either get a drop on a new month. There's 5 days left, guys. In 5 days' time, you need to be really, really concerned with this, or you need to be super focused if you're looking for an entry point, because it might give that dip for the buy for going higher. So it's coming into in 5 days' time. It is extremely important to be watching this. We will be looking for a trade on this on a new month. I'm not trading this yet, but on a new month, I will be looking to trade this. So that's where we're standing, guys. There is likely to be some dip, but it is unbelievable the fact that this is breaking up and closing, this strong on a monthly basis. We need to see if it holds up going into the end of the year. Not the end of the year, sorry, wrong chart there. Here, and on the 6 month, all of these really. It was the yearly. Sorry, it was the yearly. This needs to be closing strong up here on the yearly. If it does, be prepared for XRP to run hard on a new year. Right? That's the way I would look at it. If this can hold strong into the end of the year, so I don't think XRP's topped. I think XRP's got room to run. I am just surprised it's ran so hard so early. Right? That is a surprise to me. Even though it is into. So if you check this out here, right? Look at this. I should have used this chart, but so I've been looking at this, and I made a video. in the last bull market saying that XRP is not going to break out because XRP is forming the same pattern that Bitcoin formed, right? And Bitcoin formed the exact same pattern, and Bitcoin broke out, and Bitcoin actually went parabolic and took out the previous highs up here, right? Bitcoin went way up here. And, I posted that XRP would not break out until here, right? And it's no coincidence that this pattern broke out right here. That is fantastic. And if you watch my old videos, if you scroll back through my videos or come into our live training room, you can watch my old videos from years ago saying that XRP would not break out until we got to here. And we were here, and it absolutely mooned. And then I also put a warning video out just down there. I posted about it and showed. So it's playing out to a T, guys. It really is, and the structure is fantastic. And if you look at if you look at BTC, right? We'll look at BTC very quickly, and then I'll cut this video off down here, right? If you remember down here, Bitcoin formed the exact same structure, right? And then when it broke out, it ran very hard to the upside. And XRP is also forming this giant triangular base. So how far can XRP run? Well, we're going to have to keep an eye on it into the next year. And so far, it's looking very, very bullish, to be honest. So guys, as you can see here, I've just threw a few things here. This is the larger chart. This is a major, major breakout. And XRP does look like it's going to continue to the upside. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the live training room. Have a great, great weekend.